Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel. Making delicious caramel at home is simpler than you might think, requiring just a few basic ingredients and some careful attention. We'll start by gathering our sugar, water, and a fat source like butter or heavy cream. A good quality, heavy-bottomed saucepan is crucial for even heating, preventing hot spots that can burn your sugar. Also, have a heat-proof surface or an ice bath ready to halt the cooking process precisely when needed. The wet method is often recommended for beginners because the water helps prevent the sugar from crystallizing. You'll combine your sugar and water in the saucepan, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals are fully dissolved. Then, stop stirring and let the mixture boil over medium heat. Resist the urge to stir as this can cause crystallization. Instead, observe the color change. We are looking for a beautiful, rich amber, similar to a copper penny. Once your sugar mixture achieves that perfect amber color, it's critical to remove it from the heat immediately to stop the cooking. This is where your prepared heat-proof surface or ice bath comes in handy. Now, carefully and slowly whisk in your butter or heavy cream. Be very cautious, as the mixture will bubble up and release a lot of hot steam. Continue whisking until everything is smoothly incorporated, creating that luscious, creamy caramel texture we all love. For consistent success, always use a clean saucepan and utensils. If you see any sugar crystals forming on the sides of your pan, use a pastry brush dipped in water to gently wash them down. Humidity can be a caramel's enemy, so try to make it on a dry day if possible. Once your caramel has cooled completely, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks, ready for all your sweet creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.